Welcome to your 3-minute mindful reset. Take a moment right where you are to give yourself this gift of calm. No need to change anything. Just allow yourself to be present. Gently bring your attention to your body. Feel your feet on the floor, sensing the support beneath you. Notice your seat in your chair, feeling grounded and stable. Allow your spine to lengthen gently, as if a string is lifting you from the crown of your head, while your shoulders softly drop away from your ears. Rest your hands comfortably in your lap or on your desk. Now, bring your awareness to your breath. You don't need to change it, just observe it. Feel the cool air as you inhale, and the warm air as you exhale. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest or abdomen. For the next minute, simply follow the natural rhythm of your breath, letting it be an anchor in this moment. Each inhale, a fresh start. Each exhale, a soft release. Expand your awareness now to the sounds around you, without judgment. Just notice them. Then, gently bring your attention back to your body. Scan for any areas of tension, perhaps in your jaw, your neck, or your shoulders. As you exhale, imagine that tension softening, melting away, just for this moment. With each breath, invite a sense of ease and spaciousness into your body. As we conclude this brief reset, take one more deep, calming breath. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, bringing this renewed sense of calm and presence back into your day. You are ready. If this moment of calm helped you, please like this video and subscribe for more mindful moments, and share your experience in the comments below. Your journey to mental clarity starts here.